Still on a quest to try and create some wings that allow the Aeroscout to fly more slowly, I went with a heavy dihedral design hoping to emulate a glider. I first came up with a airfoil design that had a bit more arch to it than the standard wing of the Aeroscout. Made some wings, plywood wing support struts, and made a center section that could mount on the current Aeroscout wing support structure. Used some carbon fiber tubes for the wings, and it worked out pretty well. It had a good angle to it. Actually, when I took it out to fly, there was a slight breeze, and it was really messing with the plane on the ground. It really wanted to fly. Unfortunately, I only had one camera angle, so I could see both things. It was at this point I realized the wings were working great, but I was in trouble. The problem was I did not put the time in to have the ailerons on the wings, and I wasn't able to straighten myself out and keep it from diving with the crosswind that was going on. So now we have ourselves a body repair video. I decided to go with the super glue route first to try and get the front and back section held together. I put glue in, put some painter's tape to hold it in place while that hardened up. Once that hardened up, I put some popsicle sticks behind the currently existing wood structures I had from previous repairs. I really wanted to help that front wheel from diving back. After that's all hardened up nicely, I had to address that hole that existed there from previous collapses. So I decided to cut it right out and rebuild that section of the body with some stacks of foam board cut to shape. Here you can see the first piece and how it helps support the popsicle sticks and plywood support in the front for the wheels. Next, you see them all stacked up and hot glued in place. After the hot glue hardened up nicely, I then just took a knife and shaved down the extension so it rounds with the body a little better. And there we have it. We have a rebuilt plane ready for another crash.